Forensic Science by Jake Farmer and Andrew Hutchings. Forensic science is the use of science and experiments in the field of criminal investigation. Its use is to collect and analyze evidence at a crime scene. The thing that plays the biggest part in catching a criminal is evidence. Evidence is anything left behind by the perpetrator. Biological evidence is evidence items containing any biological material at all. Examples of biological evidence is blood spatter shown here. Ballistic evidence is a study of flying projectiles, mainly from firearms. Examples of ballistic evidence are bullet holes in the wall, as shown here. Physical evidence is any real evidence and can be introduced in a trial. Physical evidence can either convict a criminal or prove his innocence. Chemical evidence is the trace left behind by any presence of chemicals at a crime scene. An example of chemical evidence is acids. This is probably the most commonly found chemical at crime scenes. Trace evidence is evidence that is transferred between people and objects. This can range from human hair to building materials. An example of this is lipstick left on a glass from someone drinking it. Transient evidence are pieces of evidence easily changed or lost. These are the most fragile evidence pieces. An example of this is a footprint. If it were to rain, the footprint would wash away. Conditional evidence is produced by a specific event or action. An example of conditional evidence is the smoke shown by the lighting of a match. The chain of custody is records showing all the people the evidence has been passed down through in chronological order. Some of these records kept are who found the item, where was it found, who took custody, and where is the item stored. To label evidence, each piece must have the name, initial, or mark of every person who came in contact with it.